2020 has been an exceptional year. All of us faced the unexpected this year, and it felt like the world would come to an end. Amidst all that gloom, there were splashes of happiness which touched us from time to time, like the stories of the frontline warriors or the tales of human endurance and victory of the human spirit. The cinema industry in India was also affected to a great extent, leading to stalling of shoots, reschedule of major releases, and unemployment for many people. However, the human spirit rose through this predicament as well, with actors from various Indian industries giving us some memorable performances this year. So sit back and let's look at the happy memories given to us this year by some of India's best actors. This is Filmkopat and you are watching Top 10 Best Acting Performances of the Year 2020 from Indian cinema. Before moving on, we request you once again to subscribe to Filmkopat and share our content with your friends and family. At number 10 on our list of best acting performances of the year, we have Surya for the formidable performance in Sorarai Pottaru, directed by Sudha Kongara. Loosely based on Captain Gopinath, the Air Deccan founder, Surya as Mara holds the movie together on his able shoulders in this comeback vehicle. His subdued emotions and irregular blasts of intensity and passion makes the character work as someone of flesh and bone. The film offers many moments of brilliance for Surya, however the best might be when he hesitates to ask for money from his wife for yet another passionate risk. Sorarai Pottaru definitely counts as one of the finest performances from this Tamil superstar. At number 9 on our list, we have Anirban Bhattacharya in as Dracula Sir, aka Raktim or Amol. Anirban eases between two personalities across the length of the film with more than a few praiseworthy cinematic set pieces to carry single-handedly. These were otherwise difficult ones to pull through, but Anirban with his theatre background makes them work even when the overall script does not do justice to his efforts. Anirban also hits home an interesting sleuth role in Joydeep Mukherjee's Detective based on Tagore's short story, with the right balance of comic timing and subdued emotions this year. At number 8 on our list, we have Aparna Balamurali, again from Sorarai Pottaru. Aparna as Bommi one-ups even Surya in the movie, lighting up the screen every time she is around. Her role of the bold, independent woman wishing to start her own bakery business is such a refreshing act in a movie which would have otherwise turned into a unidimensional hero-worshipping vehicle. It's a strong performance throughout the movie which makes her and Mara's love story stay with us long after the movie is over. At number 7, we have Prithvi Raj as Koshi Korean in one of the best movies of the year, Ayyappan Koshiyam, directed by Sachi, who sadly left us this year after giving this riveting film as a gift. Prithvi as Koshi plays the insecure yet brawny son of a political big shot. He draws a fine line between a misogynist and a person with a good heart in this revenge drama. The way he looks, grimaces and acts makes everything about the character real and believable. Looks like the Fahads and Soubins of Malayalam cinema have some competition in the near future. At number 6 on our list is the child actor Akshat Das from the Nawazuddin Siddiqui starrer Serious Men. Imagine having to work alongside heavyweights like Nawaz and Nasser when you are 7 years old and still being able to hold one's own throughout the movie. Akshat brings to life the character of Adi Mani with his resilient acting and mannerisms. He is vulnerable and not being able to take the pressure from his parents and the society, and one feels the same vulnerability at home watching him on screen. Akshat appears to be a child prodigy in the true sense of the word. Check out our detailed review of Serious Men for more details on this Netflix production. Talking of good acting alongside heavyweights, we have another one at number 5 on our list. Tripti Dimri from the Netflix horror drama Bulbul, directed by Anvita Dutt Guptan. We saw Tripti first in Sajid Ali's Laila Majnu, where she was quite impressive. However, in Bulbul's tale of misogyny told within the ambit of horror, Tripti shines through as the central character and delivers a knockout punch. She's stunning in every scene with two different character arcs in the two halves of the film, with a fascinating transition sequence in between. Tripti promises the arrival of another strong female lead in context of the rise of leading ladies in Indian cinema. To check the relationship between Indian horror and misogyny, please check our list of best Indian horror movies, link in the description. At number 4 on our list, we have Amitabh Bachchan. One more time, at the age of 78, the man surprises us all in Sujit Sircar's tragicomedy Gulabo Sitabo. Big B as Mirza is a revelation. Crouching throughout the entire movie, giving expressions and dialogues of the highest quality is no mean feat at his age, and yet he does all that with flying colours. Mirza steals the show in his restrained act of a cranky selfishness, and yet we still like the old man and sympathize for him at the end of this on-screen puppet show. Big B advocates that he still has much to offer, few more cards up sleeve to trump his audience. And now to the top 3. At number 3 on our list, we have another talented actor giving us one of the most memorable on-screen performances of this year. Taapsee Pannu as Amrita in the Anubhav Sinha film Thappad gives us a riveting performance. From the husband-adoring housewife to the realization of her victimhood, Taapsee eases through the character arc, leaving us gasping and rooting for her. Taapsee has inspired and entertained us from time to time, but in this career-defining role as the voice of thousands of women facing varied levels of major domestic abuses every day, she raises the bar higher than ever before. A small hat tip to Kumud Mishra for playing a doting father to the courageous daughter Amrita. Now we are left with the top 2 performances of the year. At number 2, we have the gutsy, hardworking and spirited rickshaw puller Buchi Paswan from the Prakash Jha movie Pariksha. Of course, we are talking about Adil Hussain, yet again giving us a superhuman performance. Adil, one of the finest actors to have ever worked in Bollywood, makes us believe in every character he portrays, and Buchi is no different. As the father struggling to make both ends meet for his talented son's education and riding into the wrong roads in the process, Adil once again knocks it out of the park. To check out what Adil has to say about his award-winning performance in Pariksha, do check out our interview with him. Link once again is in the description. Before we reveal our choice for the best performance of the year 2020, we have a very special mention. Here's our standing ovation for Tilottama Shom for her phenomenal performances in Sir and Chintu Ka Birthday. Tilottama was at the very top of her acting game in Sir, a once-in-a-lifetime romance breaking societal barriers. She made us cry with her performance as Ratna, as we have mentioned in the detailed review of Sir. She was equally excellent as Chintu's mother in Chintu Ka Birthday, rising above the average script. We mentioned Tilottama in the special mention section because these movies were screened on multiple festivals before 2020, even if they reached mass Indian viewers only this year. And now for the big reveal. At the number 1 spot in our list of best acting performances of the year 2020 is, you guessed it, Fahad Fasil in Trance for his extraordinary portrayal of a man trapped by the system he helped create. Viju Prasad is hands down the performance of the year for us. Fahad as Viju is unbelievable in every sense of the word. Sometimes there are incidents which are too difficult to summarize in words. They are to be seen to be believed. Fahad's performance in Trance is one such incident. The energy, the eyes, the body language, everything about Fahad Fasil in Trance deserves a separate discussion. If you have not watched it yet, it's high time. So, this was our list of top 10 Indian performances of the year. Do you agree with our list? Which performances do you think we missed? Do post your lists in the comment section. Also, stay tuned for our list of best Indian and international movies of 2020 coming out soon. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to Filmkopath. Bye.